So this is a Schwinn. I put Schwinn in quotes, okay, because it is a Schwinn from the 90s. This was a Cruiser Deluxe. I think it was a Cruiser 7-speed, had a Nexus hub on it, and I picked it up because I wanted the wheels for another build. And the frame's been hanging up in the rafters here in the shop for a while. And this morning I picked up another parts bike, old Cruiser, step-through frame, and I pulled these wheels off of that. And they're old CMC chrome wheels, and they got rust, and the spokes have rust, but they're solid. It's got a Shimano D-Type coaster brake that I just rebuilt. I took the whole thing apart, cleaned it up, re-greased it. Bottom bracket's been taken apart, re-greased. Headset, same thing. So it functions like a new bike. It's just got that nice theft-resistant patina. Got the forged 4-bolt stem we're all familiar with, Cruiser bars, comfy Schwinn saddle. I really like this detail here with this brake bridge that they did. Nice fat weld, real nice detail to it. These frames from the 90s are, in my opinion, much nicer than the ones that they were doing in the 80s. If you look at the welds and you look at the tubing on the Taiwan Schwinns in the 80s, they're, you know, garbage. Those things are tanks, but I'm not a big fan of them. And then the Hungary Schwinns, the ones that were made in Hungary, they're real nice too, and they resemble this frame. I mean, there's a serial number on the badge here. I don't know what it means, if anything. I'm not a big fan of these things, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's a great cruiser. I'm going to list this thing on Craigslist, relatively cheap. This is just something I like to do, put a bike together from parts that I've had farting around, you know, in the shop, just hanging around, and build a decent cruiser for someone, couple $100. You got a guilt-free bike, and like I said, theft-resistant patina. Functions like new, but doesn't look like anything special. A lot less likely to get ripped off. So, classic cantilever frame. Rides nice, and there you have it.